Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup After Effects comps using Adobe Creative Cloud step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and ensure that your project is loaded. Navigate to the composition you wish to backup. Select the composition in the project panel. Go to the File menu in the top left corner. Click on Dependencies to reveal additional options. Select Collect Files from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear. In this box, make sure to check the Collect Source Files option. You can also choose to include. Next, select a destination folder for your backup. Click the Collect button to proceed. After Effects will create a new folder containing your composition and all its associated files. Once the process is complete, navigate to the chosen folder to verify the backup. Open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Log into your Adobe account if you haven't already. Locate the folder where you created the backup within the Creative Cloud Files section. Drag and drop your backup folder into Adobe Creative Cloud. Wait for the files to sync with the cloud. You can check the sync status in the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Once synced, your composition will be securely backed up in the cloud. Now, you can access your After Effects project from any device connected to Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.